The easiest way to make money online is, well, the reality is that there is no easy way to make money online unless you want to scam someone. Or maybe you're doing something that nobody's doing or offering. Well, you get the point. Now, before I go any further, let me be clear. This is not a how to make money online video. If you want to make big bucks, then you have to work hard, improve your skills, grab the perfect opportunity, and you also need luck. Whether you want to believe me or not is totally up to you. Over the years, I have tried a lot of things to earn money online, and most of them didn't work. Some YouTube channels make it look very easy. The usual video goes like this. Sign up on a website or download an app and do this and that, and voila, you are making money online. Some videos are downright scams, while some are authentic to some extent, but they won't tell you how difficult it is, because you might skip the video, and they will lose watch hours. The point is, don't trust these types of videos blindly unless they show you proof of their earnings or results, which is very, very rare. You could make a quick $5, $10, or even $20 by filling out surveys or completing microtasks, but they might require hours of work, and most of them are underpaid. If you are serious about making money online, then please stop watching videos like $1,000 per week, no work required, or make thousands of dollars using a free bot or something like that. One thing is for sure, these guys are making a lot of money by posting these videos. Furthermore, even if any of those tricks or whatever works, the odds are that hundreds of people, if not thousands, are already doing it. In other words, competition. If earning money online was that easy, then people would have quit their 9-to-5 jobs. And who would care about minimum wage, huh? If you still want to follow those videos, go ahead. But from my personal experience, let me tell you that you will only be wasting your time. However, there are some authentic ways to earn money online. I know I might sound like a broken record. Nonetheless, here are some real ways to make money online. Freelancing, web development, or WordPress development. Sell online courses, become a YouTuber. Affiliate marketing, online tutoring, graphic designing, content writing. You can also try blogging and drop shipping. There are many other ways to make money online. Whether you become a YouTuber or a freelancer or anything from that list, you have to work hard or do something unique, or else you will get crushed by the competition. Take Beluga as an example. His growth has been mind-blowing, and all that because he did something unique and he did it right. And remember that nothing in this life is easy.